rewire your mind and draw a new map for your consciousness. In this video, you get the chance to peek into my full guided drawing session, which is linked in the description. Welcome to Draw Yourself Free. Draw yourself free by forgiving yourselves and others. Stop carrying the burden of guilt or anger any longer. I am sorry for having been mean to myself. I am sorry. I am sorry for wanting to please. I am sorry for making myself small. I am sorry for having been mean to myself. I forgive myself. I forgive myself. I forgive myself. I forgive me. I love myself. I love me. I love myself. I love me. Thank you. Thank you for the transformation. Thank you. Thank you for the transformation. Oftentimes we are very hard on ourselves, so forgiving ourselves is an effective tool to empower ourselves. Ensure that we forgive our own shortcomings and bring ourselves into balance in order to move on peacefully. If you have collected all the information, you know, and yet you are not acting in alignment with your values and your true self, maybe your mind, your emotions, and your nervous system are still somehow in the way, this is for you. Start having a weekly appointment with yourself. Recharge, reconnect, and move on in your daily life. From now to now to now to now. Now. Thank you for peeking into my full guided session. Welcome to Draw Yourself Free.